These are your base 10 blocks. I absolutely love using them for helping my children with their math homework and giving them a visualization of what's actually happening mathematically when we add and subtract numbers. So this set comes with a 1000s block, it comes with hundreds blocks, it comes with tens blocks, and it comes with ones blocks. So what I do is I give them a problem, so like 123 minus 35, and they have them actually set the number up. So I would say, okay, how many hundreds do we have? Oh, we need 1. How many tens do we need? 2. And then how many ones? We would need 3. And then they would do the same thing here. In the beginning, I set it up for them, and then eventually they get to a point where they can. So what I then do next is say, okay, we're going to start with our ones place. So it's starting with 3, and it's telling us to take away 5. And then they can look and say, well, I can't do that. And so I tell them, well, what we can do is we can go to the place value over the tens, and I can remove one of these and instead turn that into a tens place. So I'm going to take my tens place and turn them into ones. Well, now I have 13 ones, and I only have 1 tens. And so now they can physically actually go and take 5 away, leaving them with 8, and they can count the 8 out. Then we can move on to the tens place. Well, I have 1 tens because I turned the other one into ones and borrowed. Well, I cannot take 3 away from there. I can only take 1. So I'm going to go the place value over the hundreds place, and I'm going to turn that hundreds place into 10 tens. And so now I can tell him, well, now I have 0 hundreds place left. I took it, but now I have 11 of my tens place. So I can say, now look, we have to take 3 away. So I'm going to take 3 away. And now we can count what's left over, and they can actually count that there are 8s. There are many other ways to use this. This has been what I've been using with my 2nd and 3rd grader, and it has helped dramatically. I've seen such a growth in their math because now they actually understand what's happening and they're not just memorizing the steps.